Tona ya Maphelo o be a se gona kopanong ya lehono se ke ka ge a re molato wa gagwe o sa letetše ka hlolo.
I last spoke to the minister last night, and he indicated to me that he has been advised that because of this investigation in his department that also involves or touching his name, he has been advised that legally it is not a correct thing to then be the one leading the delegation to brief us.
Mekgatlo ya kganetšo e dumela gore mabaka a Mkhize ga a kwagale.
This matter is not before a court of law. This matter is being investigated by the South African Police Service, and it's being investigated by this special investigative unit. Those two things are not a court of law, and the rule of being sub judice only relates to a matter being in front of a court of law.
I agree the sub matter is according, in my view, not sub judice simply because the special investigation unit is still busy with their investigation. The matter is reported to the South African police, and it is not, I agree with my colleagues, it is not before the court of law yet.
Part of the reasons why he said he did not want to resign or could not resign was because there was no link between him and the corruption regards to Digital Vibes, right? And so it becomes important for us to discuss any report pertaining to the matter of corruption.
Ge le mokgatlo wa ANC o agetše Tona Legora.
Because this is also helpful, that tomorrow people should not helter-skelter rush to the court opening up a case without evidence, so that they hope that through the DG they'll get evidence that will enhance their cases.
Ge le hlogo phetiši ya kgoro ya maphelo o re dinyakišišo tša forensiki tšeo di utolotšego gore kontraka yeo e abilwe ka moo go sego molaong e gare le lekala leo le ikemego la go dira dinyakišišo.
We can't treat that report as a final report because for sure, I mean, they have extensive powers like summoning bank accounts and doing all the other issues which the forensic investigators did not have that.
Go le bjalo ditsebi tša molao di dumela gore molao wa kabo ya tshedimošo wa gatakwa.
The rule is also not an absolute one. It is only applicable if disclosure of information will be prejudicial to the administration of justice, and this has clearly not been demonstrated in this case.
Komiti re ya go nyaka maele a semolao a ge ba go se tšweletše tshedimošo ga Mkhize go ka lehlakoreng la gagwe mo lebakeng le go ba bjang.